Commonwealth citizens who have been living in Barbados for at least 3 years can now vote in the next general election once they qualify under the Representation of the People Act. This as the Crown reversed the Electoral and Boundaries Commission's position on their eligibility. The update came on Tuesday from attorney Wilfred Abrams. He was on a team of lawyers representing Commonwealth citizens who brought a class action suit challenging the EBC's stance of not allowing them to join the voters list.
They had stated that it was their long-held policy and they were not authorized to register anyone as an elector in Barbados unless that person was a citizen, a resident, or an immigrant possessing the status of resident, immigration status of resident or immigrant in Barbados. We contended from the outset that was wrong. The Electoral and Boundaries had strenuously defended that position up to yesterday. So that was their position throughout the whole of the initial hearing at the lower court, and that was their position in all of the submissions and pleadings and everything leading up to the appeal until yesterday morning. So with them officially withdrawing from that position, the way is now open to all persons who are qualified under the Act, all of the Commonwealth citizens who have been residing in Barbados for a period of 3 years or more, who are not disqualified under the Act. They can now apply and have their applications processed. So they're effectively now in the same position as any Barbadian registering to vote in the upcoming election. We just want to make that very clear.
Mr. Abrams said the EBC had admitted it was wrong.
What is worthy of note, this position was not an order of the court as of yet. This was not a position arrived at by the court. This was the Electoral and Boundaries Commission through their attorneys coming out and saying our policy was wrong. We acknowledge that now, and we wish to state for the record that our policy was wrong and unlawful.